There are two moments in life define who you are. When something starts, and when you dare to finish it. Today we are going to talk about that second moment. Because to close a cycle is not to fail. It's having the courage to look life in the face and say, I thank you. But now I keep walking. And you know what? Most people never close their cycles. They get stuck in jobs, relationships, old versions of themselves. They're carrying a broken piece of furniture on their back because it cost them dearly one day. But here you are. Here we are. Ready to let go of that weight, close those doors and open the windows of the soul. Today I'm going to give you not only inspiration, but concrete tools to do it. And I promise it won't be just another video. This can be the start of your real breakthrough. Why is it so hard for us to close cycles? First, let's be honest. Closing a cycle hurts because it involves accepting a loss. And human beings hate to lose. In psychology, this is called loss aversion bias. Study after study shows that we feel more pain from losing something than pleasure from gaining something equivalent. Yes, even more pain from losing $10 than happiness from gaining $10. Imagine now how much it costs us to lose a story, a dream, a version of us that no longer fits. We'd rather hold on, even if it hurts, than acknowledge that we are no longer in the same place. But do you know the consequences of not closing cycles? Not closing a cycle has a price. According to a study by the American Psychological Association, APA, more than 68% of people who report feeling emotionally stuck have an unresolved event in their lives. Broken relationships, untapped opportunities, unprocessed grief. The result? New relationships that carry old resentments. Chronic fear of change. Feeling that nothing is enough. And the saddest part, a future self that never arrives. So, how do you close a cycle healthily and powerfully? Now let's get practical. How do you close a cycle without bringing your life crashing down on you? Step 1. Acknowledge the whole story. Not just the bad, also the good. Be grateful for what you learned, for who you were, without judgment. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel. The pain, the anger, the sadness. Feeling doesn't weaken you. It cleanses you. And no, repressing is not being strong, it's being an emotional pressure cooker. Step 3. Ritualize closure. Write a letter that you will never send. Do a symbolic ceremony, burn the letter, bury an object, take a short release journey. Step 4. Redefine your identity. If you are no longer the person in such and such relationship or the employee of such and such company, who are you now? Think of it as a creative opportunity, not a void. Be careful. Closing a cycle does not mean that tomorrow you will wake up like Rapunzel coming out of the tower. Some days you will still be thinking about that ex, that project, that opportunity. And that's okay. Just remember, thinking is not going back. Thinking is honoring the path, while your feet are still moving forward. Today I want to invite you to do something few people dare to do. Write down right now what cycle in your life needs closure. And share in the comments, if you want, a word, a phrase, a symbol of what you want to let go of. I promise this space will be safe, authentic, and supportive. Because letting go is not losing. It's gaining space for what you truly deserve. And always remember, closing a cycle is not the end. It's the beginning of everything new that's about to be born in you. See you in the next video. And in the meantime, keep moving forward, keep growing, and keep betting on yourself. Remember, it doesn't matter how deep or how many times you fall, what counts is how many times you decide to get up.